Jumbo Assembler, where sophistication meets brawn. Our Jumbo Partition Assembler can assemble solid chipboard as low as 3-inch height and yet assemble a double-wall corrugated partition up to a 20-inch height. With 16 channels, you can optimally set up this machine for single or double out assembly options. No other assembler machine on the market can match these capabilities. The Jumbo Assembler has the ability to save and store programs for repeat jobs, making it the most unique partition assembler on the market. It comes equipped with a sophisticated computer system that allows the user to activate the specific channels to feed partition strips into. The addition of servo-driven flight bars creates even more flexibility with the machine, allowing the user to rapidly speed up the flight bars during transit time and slow down the bars during the assembly process. The user can even briefly pause the motion for larger partitions, allowing time for assembling partitions with straight slots. The ability to assemble multiple materials, such as solid chipboard, corrugated, and plastic corrugated, makes this the ultimate assembler to handle your needs.